Today's preview is on the Tarmac Works RWB 993 Overbone and also the Garage 2 sets. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this to me to preview for you. I will showcase the RWB 993 Rotana in my next video in 1:43 scale, and also these two Elite t-shirts in black and white. These are all going to be on sale on 20th this month, so mark your calendar and check out Tarmac Works for all the latest info. And now let's take a closer look at the Garage 2 sets in RWB theme. Packaging is very premium, it comes in a gold outer box. Highlight is definitely the auto tool repair cabinet with trolley, the floor jack, and also the 4-post car lift in RWB theme. Also comes with 2 sets of decal in RWB theme. First impression, it looks very premium in a gold and black hue, and will definitely pass very well with the overbone casting, with a lot of realism factor. The 4-post car lift is definitely the highlight in a very unusual RWB color and theme. Although this accessory set doesn't have any die-cast component, there's definitely a lot of details to enhance in your die-cast photography. Next, the RWB 993 Overbone. The casting looks very impressive in the display case. Super awesome. Comes in a standard Hobby 64 sleeve in black and gold. Just like any of the Hobby 64, it comes with a collector card with the Tarmac Works signature container design. Wow, this casting is a killer. Tons of details. I really like model car in high gloss black finish. It makes it looks very fierce and ultra premium. This whole casting, in my opinion, is flawless in 1:64 scale. Tarmac Works really nailed it for this casting. They did a fantastic job. Just look at all the details in the livery, treatment on the rear and front light, the wheel set, and also all the fine and intricate details in this casting. This is no doubt one of the best casting in my Tarmac Works collection, and I really can't wait to take nice photos of this casting, which I share with everyone soon. It's really cool out of the base. Quality wise, it's perfect. You can see from all the close-up. I like to feature all the mini car in my video extreme close-up so that everyone can see the quality, and this is perfect. I'm very sure this casting will be sold out on the sales day, and this casting will sit very well in every collector's collection. More Tarmac Works unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!